In this video, we will compare two powerful processors from AMD, the Ryzen 75700X and the Ryzen 99900X3D. We'll delve into their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which CPU is the best fit for your needs. The Ryzen 75700X, with its 8 cores and 16 threads, offers a great balance of performance and price, while the Ryzen 99900X3D boasts 12 cores, making it a powerhouse for demanding tasks. Let's explore these processors in detail. When it comes to core count, the AMD Ryzen 99900X3D takes the lead with 12 cores, compared to the Ryzen 75700X's 8 cores. This higher core count allows the Ryzen 9 to handle more simultaneous tasks, making it an excellent choice for content creators and gamers who multitask. The Ryzen 7, while still capable, may struggle with extremely demanding applications that require high parallel processing power. Therefore, if you plan to run intensive workloads, the Ryzen 9 is the better option. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two processors. The AMD Ryzen 75700X is priced at $299, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers and users who need solid performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Ryzen 99900X3D is priced at $599, reflecting its higher core count and performance capabilities. If you're on a tight budget, the Ryzen 7 offers excellent value, but if you need top-tier performance, the investment in the Ryzen 9 may be worth it. Another critical aspect to consider is the cache size. The AMD Ryzen 99900X3D features a substantial 140 megabytes cache, which can significantly enhance performance in data-intensive applications. In contrast, the Ryzen 75700X has a smaller 36 megabytes cache. A larger cache allows for quicker access to frequently used data, which can lead to better performance in gaming and productivity tasks. For users who require high-speed data retrieval, the Ryzen 9's larger cache is a notable advantage. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 75700X and Ryzen 99900X3D have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ryzen 7 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers, while the Ryzen 9 is ideal for those seeking maximum performance. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.